Today we will be looking at 3 different videos. 80-year-old man getting abuse by police officer in Jamaica. Elderly race surprise everyone.
A 94-year-old virgin.
All of these old people are winners in my eyes, because a lot of people that is their age can't even walk properly. This police officer is a very wicked man. Not only that, but he does not have any respect. Just look how he is dealing with this elderly man that is old enough to be his grandfather.
What's the man mode?
Since 1950, a 94-year-old Ugandan woman, Mariam, has remained a virgin, waiting for the return of a white missionary who promised to marry her and take her abroad. The man, a missionary in Uganda at the time, promised to come back and take her abroad. Years pass, then decades. Many chances for love come her way, but she turns them all down, afraid that choosing someone else might ruin the promise she is still waiting for. While life moves on for everyone else, she stays in one place, holding on to hope. Now at 94, she is still waiting, still believing, still holding on to words that were never fulfilled.